I used Claude AI to make my own beautiful habit tracker dashboard. This is super simple. I didn't do any coding myself. I built this by talking to Claude. What I'm gonna show you is how to make your own dashboard that behaves just like an app, but it's absolutely customized to you. And if you don't like it, you can change it in seconds. I tried a lot of different apps, but there was always something that I wanted to tweak or mess with that wasn't quite the way I wanted it. I took a picture of my iPad. You can see I've written down my habits. You've got 1, 2, 3 weeks here. I track the magnitude as well. So did I just miss the goal or did I miss it by a lot? It's not right there on my phone. I have to wait till I get my iPad, and I thought, man, what if I did this on a mobile app using Claude? Here's what I actually wrote. I uploaded the screenshot and I wrote, can you make a habit tracking dashboard or app? Here's the approach I have been taking. And I just sent it that file. Then it did all this work on its own. It was really cool. It could clearly see what I wanted. And then it made it. It made this atomic habits tracker. So cool. Look at this. This is right out of the box. There's my 6 goals. There's the sprint grid, and there's the charts. Now we can't see anything in here, but let's just try it real quick. So let's say today we woke up at this time. Tomorrow we woke up, let's say earlier, and the next day we woke up pretty early, but not as close. So we go to the sprint grid, there's the 3 days. But how close or far away was I? Click the charts, bam, look at that. It's got the line, and you can see, hey, that last day I didn't make it, but I was pretty darn close to it. Right out of the box, it's working super, super well. But there are a couple of features that I wanted to add, and once I saw how easy it was to add, I decided to add those. For instance, there's no breakup of weekends versus weekdays. I had it make another tracker, and we just walked through and had a conversation about the changes that I wanted. It was super simple. The iterations were really, really fast. I just typed in what I wanted. I made all this actually in a meeting. I just texted and made the changes. It's just absolutely mind-blowing how impressive this capability is, the ability to do these rapid iterations, the ability to think something up and then have it created immediately and then tweak it and change it and modify it to suit your specific needs. I put in these sort of streak freezes like in Duolingo. I added onto the sprint grid this subtle shading. And then one of the really cool things is on the settings, I set a goal that I could just make one goal across the whole board, or I could jump in and change those based on, say, like the Saturday. So right here I said, hey, there's no expectation to get up by a certain time on Saturday, and then leave work doesn't make sense. I also added a really easy way to get your data out, so I can download the data, I can restore my data from a backup, so that I never have to enter this in again if I switch devices. I'm not a developer, I'm not a coder, I'm not programming this stuff, and yet I was able to make my own app. It's just amazing. It's everything I wanted, but it's still just sitting here on my Claude app right now. You can get it on your phone super simply. See this right here? I'm tapping it. It's acting just like a web app. Let me show you the couple of steps to make that happen. I asked Claude, no surprise, and it told me a really simple way is to post it on a site that shares these type of files as a dashboard that will host it. So I went with one called Netlify. It's super simple. I signed up for a free account so that my board would remain persistent. I just jump up to my computer and I open up this same chat. When you tap on this dashboard, it will show you a download option. I click download, it downloads to my computer. I open Netlify, then I just slide it over to Netlify, and it will give me a link that I can share with anybody. On my phone, I just grab Safari and I open a link, and now it's showing it on Safari. So that's great, and I like that, but I want it to act like a web app. And this is the reason that I picked Safari, because Safari has one cool little feature. Tap the 3 little dots here, and you can tap share at the top, and then you slide down, it will say add to home screen. So I tap add to home screen, and then, habits, 3, and it will say add, and there you go. I've got I can tap it, and there it is. I've been using this to help my habits. I daily mark the apps. Don't judge, I'm not there yet, but I'm making it, and it is helping. This is totally doing what I want. This has been working phenomenally. This is just the beginning. There's a lot more cool stuff coming. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see it.